So at time marker 60 seconds, I'm going to slowly increase my regen until it starts to turn. Here we go. 491, 482, 478, 475, 464. We're up to 42 amps, 45, 50. Okay, 62 amps, starting to get some RPM. 500 and 600 RPM, 660, 720. Okay, so we're going to slow down to 0. And that was it. At 47 seconds, 48, 49, 50. We're getting down to 13, 7, 4. And we're off. Around 60 seconds, we're going to start ramping up. We're at 500, 506, 512, 513. I'm at 4, 9, 10, 18, 32 amps. Not started to spin yet. Spinning very slowly. Okay, 55 amps. It's starting to turn. We're at 14 seconds, 15. We're going to spin. Spin her up. $1,800 RPM, 2,000, 2,200, 2,400, 2,600, 2,900, 3,000. So now, what I'm going to do is crank it back as fast as I can and see what kind of regen we get. So we're at 4,000 RPM, and there we go. We're going backwards, and then we're going forwards. $2,200, $2,400 cranker. And that's a pretty quick PID loop, I think. Fairly aggressive is what I would say. Okay, I better stop playing like this because I'm seeing hundreds of amps going by here. And I don't want to melt anything. So we're going to shut off the controller, take off my ammeter, which the wires are getting warm enough to notice. Let's do a check on our controller here. So we're at somewhere around 17 degrees ambient. We got, it is warm to the touch, 34, 37, 38. On the terminal, we're at 44.7 was the highest I saw. Okay, going around this side. The heat sink right beside where the heat spreader, right beside the IGBTs, is reading quite low, actually. It seems that it has sent some of the energy into the aluminum plate sitting underneath. It's still showing me 37, 39 degrees is the highest I saw there. I would be willing to bet it's a little higher than that. My my system is not accurate. It's for approximate. Again, 36.8, 37.5, 39.1, 39.8. My hand isn't steady enough. 41. 41.3. It was surprising. 43. 44. So we'll see what the numbers that Paul has logged actually meant when I get it dumped into a program. Come on, you silly thing. Okay. Did I stop this transfer? I didn't. I will stop it now. Oh, temperature. The hottest thing was this contactor, which is really weird. 39.5 degrees. That one is 23 degrees. A higher voltage, but it was far, far lower current. Very interesting. Have to think about that one for a little bit. And what else do we have? Into it. Oh yeah, that's what I needed to check, is the temperature on the terminals of the DC. We are at, let's get a focus here. Okay, that the motor actually, okay, so that's where it's focused. Motor's at 17. The brushes, best I've got here is 27. Up there, I've got 28. 28.2. Quick movement around 31.6. 30, 32. So the number I got from that I need to stay away from, I'll have to, I don't want to say it. I'll just look it up and give you George's number. And that way it'll be scrolling on the bottom of your screen, and you'll read it, and it'll be the right number.